Everybody, welcome back to another Babydoge coin. Guys, in this video I'm talking about the latest update of the Babydoge coin. But before starting this video, I request everybody to please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos. Babydoge coin holders back up. It's time to make a profit with the cryptocurrencies markets. I mean, it's a profit time. So back up now in the market. Babydoge coin will make you a millionaire if you do this. So guys, the current price of the Babydoge coin in the market is very low, as you know, is in the decimal the price of Babydoge coin. So that's mean that very low, guys. So that's why on the other hand, if you look the changes of the Babydoge coin, so negative 2.21%, the price decrease more and more. So I think that's really another opportunity with all of you to please buy now Babydoge coin, because the changes is negative. I mean the change is negative, that's mean that the price falls down, the price become more low. So that's why my friends, buy now in this time. I think that's the opportunity with all of you to buy now Babydoge coin. Guys, if you want to make money with the cryptocurrencies market, so I think it's a golden opportunity with all of you. Buy now more and more. I know about that the currently changes is a negative, but I hope, guys, with the passage of time these all changes will become positive. And I'm sure about Babydoge coin is a profitable coin. Babydoge coin is the next Dogecoin. In possibilities, my friends, that at the last of August the Dogecoin price will become 0.001 USD dollar. Possibilities, my friends, we can't say about the future. And now the quick pump. So guys, my technical analysis, my price prediction about Babydoge coin tell us that possibilities, guys, that uh, it's the last of August on after 10th August, possibilities that Babydoge coin will take a quick jump. So get ready for it. I hope you like this update video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more news and updates.